Actually, where was it before you put it there?
In the kitchen. In the can where I keep my house money. One of them old orange Pico cans that they used to put the tea bags in before the war. WW2.
Aren't you a woman with 3 prior arrests?
Oh, no.
Just a minute, Herb. Lady, what we're trying to get at here is, who put this money in your hand before you put it in your tea can? Because whoever it was could be guilty of a federal crime.
I'm sorry. I ain't talking. It's a lie.